my gosh, to indicate. Lock in. On. Barely held that, holy shit. Whew. Whew.
You were trying to walk away.
Yeah. We're very hot. Come in, second. There's some work lighting probably. You're right. So hot. Yeah. Alright, so after the whole overheating incident, we figured out that I broke my alternator and water pump belt. So far, what we've done is we've done the cable tie belt, 2 layers of cable ties tied around both, and so far it's working. Poop is behind. I don't know if you can see, and the temps are okay. Back in the helmet. Yeah, let's get home. Oh no, I think it's gone. Check the lights off.
Is it bubbling or is it? It's hot, hey?
One snapped.
Do we want to put another one on?
Check out. I'm filming.
Oh, okay. Cable tied drive belt. Look at this. With the hazard zone keeping us safe just does the hardest job.
On top of that, I don't know what he said.
Well, he's probably right. We're making that back there.
That was my thing. I was like, everywhere that's on the side of the road is a bus stop. Alright.
Yeah.
It's a massive hot piece of metal there. So, yeah. We put another cable tie belt onto it, and we're going to try it again. Attempt number 2. The alternator's working. It's snapped again, but we made it home.
Did it go again?
Yeah. Oh, they're all gone.
That's bubbling.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. Alright, at least you're here.
Yeah, that's honestly it.
Okay. Yeah, that's melted.
Oh. Jeez. Yeah.
Oh, look.
GG.
Good shit.
Gone through 3.
I gotta go to the dinner.
Yeah.
Is that the one girls didn't change?
No, that's the one we did change. Alright, share. Alright, so here's the belt that snapped. Bunch of cable tied belts. All in all, awesome day. Cars drove well, guys drove well. Engine's still there, everything's still there, I guess. Just probably need new tires big time, and maybe see if we can suss out a new engine sometime soon. But yeah, really good day. So thankful to everyone who put it together, and keen for next one.